Good day, everyone. Today we'll be talking about 21st century literacies. So, the first literacy that we'll be talking about is digital literacy. What is digital literacy? Digital literacy is the capacity to use digital technology, communication devices, or networks to locate, analyze, use, and produce information. It is the ability to read, write, and clarify media, to replicate data and visuals through digital manipulation, and to assess and implement new knowledge gained from a digital environment. So, digital literacy more focus on the digital world and how is it functioning. The following is the attributes of digital literacy. First, we have functional skills, creativity, critical thinking and evaluation, cultural and social understanding, collaboration, the ability to find and select information, effective communication, and e-safety. So I will now give you to the next reporter, that is Francis Lynn El Puerto.
What is digital literacy in education? In 2018, the U.S. Department of Education released a report that layouts the importance of digital literacy by pointing a significant number of adults who are digital skill deficient. Specifically, researchers found that 16% of an adult ages 16 to 65 years old are not digitally literate. To bridge this gap, the government agency pointing to three overarching understandings that constitute digital literacy. With this, students can learn more about digital tools to locate, access, share, and employ information through internet and through digital archive. They will have to evaluate the information to prove its validity. So now let's move to the advantages of digital literacy to the students. First is personal learning, which is example of one-on-one learning. Second is make students smarter, in which digital learning tools and technology can help sharpen the critical thinking skills, and it is one of the bases for the growth for a systematic reasoning. Third is make students self-motivated. Digital learning is far more interactive and memorable than a generous textbooks and one-sided lectures. They offer a good context, a greater sense of potential, and more appealing activities than a traditional educational processes. This time, I'll give the spotlight to Ms. Antiga for further discussions.
Fourth is expanded learning opportunities. Digital learning allows varied learning opportunities, and students learn many new things from digital tools and technology. So fifth is develop accountability in students. Digital learning is self-directed. When students learn online, they eventually get the finest in researching a topic and get useful information by browsing a lot of information online. 6 is the higher engagement rate. The traditional way of learning offers students the little scope of engagement, as the dynamics of traditional classroom comprise of students, textbook, and educational learning. And these are the digital learning challenges of digital literacy.
Good day, everyone. This is Kate Marie Elabasejo, and we will talk about emotional literacy. What is emotional literacy? Emotional literacy is about recognizing, understanding, appropriately expressing, and effectively handling the emotional state within ourselves and among others. This literacy is composed of self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and social management, which are the main factors of an emotionally literate person. Now let's move forward to the 6 attributes of emotional literacy. It is indeed tangible that there are many unhealthy individuals when it comes to emotional aspects. Well, there are 6 attributes of emotional literacy that enables individuals to consider, recognize, understand, deal, enhance, and control the emotional state and value the importance of being emotionally literate. So the 6 attributes of emotional literacy are shown in the slide above.
So, hi everyone, my name is Kimberly C. Cedeno, and I will be reporting the continuation about the emotional literacy. The term emotional literacy was coined by Claude Stanner in 1997. Stanner believed that emotional literacy is the key in helping humans, especially children, to understand or analyze their emotions. Now, emotional literacy has 5 distinct parts. First is knowing your feelings. Next is having a sense of empathy. Third is learning to manage our emotions. Fourth is repairing emotional problems. And lastly, we have putting it all together, or what we call as emotional interactivity. Now, just an additional information. How do you develop emotional literacy in children? Now, first is you have to provide a good model. If your child expresses their emotions in a negative way or inappropriate way, then ask them if they were able to explain what they are feeling and why. Next is to promote empathy where you can. Lastly, show your children that you are here to listen. Always make them feel that they have someone or someone important to them that where they can lean on. And that would be all. Thank you.